Okay, so this is today's project. I need to paint this before I get to the table, and then after the table, I want this to match the refrigerator. So it's stainless steel, so I need to make this match now, because I believe it was a cream color. And then the rust spot right here, so I had to repair the rust spot, and then I figured when I painted that wall, I figured I just try to make this more modern, and then stainless steel is the only way to do it, the hood vent. I know the oven never been used before. That's like brand new. Yeah, spotless. Looks like it never been used. If not well taken care of. So this will be today. Next video will be the TV installed. I do have it. The TV is right there. And then with that right there. So that'll be the next video. And then hopefully, so yeah, so once I paint that, all this tools and stuff has to get out of here. All this bag has to get out of here. Can't wait. Yeah, this has to get organized and cleaned. Yeah, so let me work over here, and then as I work, I'll show the process. All right, so now I got everything masked off, and then underneath there, and basically I'm gonna sand it down and then spray. Okay, it's starting to look good. Keep on spraying, more layers. Got underneath here. Alright, I don't know how many more layers I'm gonna do, but just gotta cover it as much as possible. I think do a clear, but I'm gonna do like a no shine type clear, because that really has no shine. So yeah, keep on working, make this thing look nice. Alright, so it's finally done. A few minor like things I gotta do to it or whatever, but for the most part, it's drying out right now. Let everything air out. Got the door open. Countertop is clean. Like I was saying earlier, basically there's a cover that covers the. I gotta have to go buy it and order it. It covers the whatever you call those things that basically you cook your food on. You put the pots and pans in there or whatever. There's a cover that covers the stove. I'm gonna buy that. There's also a cover that covers the sink. I'm gonna buy that. So basically it won't be exposed like that. Basically it'd be covered when you want to put the camper away or whatever. So yeah, so that will be the countertop process after. But it's gonna be a cover on the stove. There's gonna be a cover in the sink, and then one of the next few videos, there's a material I want to buy to basically do that countertop. But as far as the hood vent, yeah. So basically, it's close enough, right? A match. The next video, the TV will be in the next video, because this, if you remove the table, this turns also into a sleeping area. Basically, you can make this into like a two-person sleeping area, and then basically right there also turns into a sleeping area. But that's probably more gonna be I'm gonna use more for like a toddler storage area, but I'm gonna use it more for like just storage or whatever. And then basically I'm gonna put a fireplace here. And then basically when you're watching TV or whatever, you could actually like have it a sleeping area, or you could have it basically just a couch. You know what I'm saying? Just basically have a two-person couch, and then two more people could sit right there. but that's basically when you're eating. But if you're actually watching TV, you could just sit down regular like a couch with a fireplace right here. This table does get removed. I'll do that in the next video. I'll demonstrate how you convert this into a sleeping area. But for the most part, it is going to be the kitchen area, but it also is a kitchen slash also, like if you have like kids or whatever, if you wanted them to sleep over here or whatever, you know. So yeah, the next video it will be a TV, the TV process. See the divider. You could actually divide, you know, the rooms and everything for privacy or whatever. Yeah, it's coming along. A lot of work been put into this thing, but I think I'm on 2 summers now, or 2 or 3 summers. I gotta do the math. But yeah, I mean, probably one of the best things I bought. So that kitchen is finally starting to come along. The back end of it, it's probably pretty much mostly all done. The only thing that's left over here, I gotta order more handles. I gotta order hinges, because that's why it seems like it's crooked. I gotta order hinges. I gotta order handle. I gotta order handle right there. I gotta still spray that gold. I'm gonna do that silver to match the hood vent and the refrigerator. But yeah, it's coming along. So stay tuned to the next video. The next video will be the TV. So thank you for watching, and enjoy the journey with me. Peace. So yeah, there's one thing I forgot to mention as well. I'm gonna see if I can put it in this video. The faucet right there. There's this one. There's the one in the hallway, and there's also the one in the shower or whatever. They're outdated, so basically I'm gonna upgrade those because they look like they were like from the 80s, you know what I'm saying, in the day. So there's a curve one I want to do, like more like it goes up more than it curves. Definitely got to be changed. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can put that in the video. So yeah.